One of the real treats of this walk is the chance, if you're lucky, to spot a platypus in Botanical Creek. They're most often seen at dusk or dawn, when the forest quiets down and the water is calm. Look for ripples moving against the current, or a bubble trail rising slowly to the surface. These shy monotremes surface for just seconds before diving again, so patience is key. Many walkers miss them entirely, but those who wait quietly by the creek banks sometimes get rewarded with the sight of that unmistakable bill and smooth paddling. It's a reminder that even so close to town, Strawn's wilderness still hides rare and ancient life.